we're going to be teaching you how to make a simple pegboard advent calendar. So I got these small black like treat bags from Michael's, and I just want them a little bit shorter, so I'm just going to cut like 1.5 inches off of the top of each bag first. Then I took craft paper cardstock and I printed off the template of all the numbers, so I can share that on the blog if you want to download it. And then I cut them all out, and then now on the top center I'm just going to use a hole punch to punch out a hole in each tab. Now I'm going to take each of the tags and glue them to the front side of the bag, so about 1 inch is sticking up above the bag. Now I'm going to take all the bags and arrange them on the pegboard so that I can mark out which holes the pegs will go in for them to hang on. And then I'm going to take the pegs. So I got these 1/4 inch dowel pins, and they're a little bit too small for the pegboard. So I'm just going to use hot glue and glue them all in place, and then I'll be able to slide these onto them afterwards. Then you can add activities into each day and hang it on your board. Now I'm just going to fill in some of the space along the top and down the side with some fresh eucalyptus. I'm just going to cut off pieces and thread it through the holes in the pegboard, and then just kind of let the eucalyptus dry out as the weeks go on.